Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make Sama rice khichdi for fasting. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 200 grams of Sama rice washed and soaked, 1 potato cut in squares, 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 inch grated ginger, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 black pepper, 5 to 6 cloves, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons clarified butter and 3 cups water. First in a pan put clarified butter, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon sticks and saute for 1 minute. Now add cumin seeds, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, potatoes, salt and mix well and cover it and cook it until potatoes are cooked well. Now put peanuts, water and let it boil. Now put Sama rice and cover it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Healthy Farali Sama rice khichdi is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.